In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to type, so you can request a refund through Canva's official support, quickly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type the phrase "Cancel Canva subscription." This is the fastest way to land on Canva's official Help Center article about canceling a plan, without memorizing any URLs. In the results, look for the link that clearly points to Canva's Help Center and the page about canceling a Canva plan. Avoid third-party guides or ads. You want to be on the official Canva.com help site to make sure you're following current instructions. Once you're on the Canva Help Center page for canceling a plan, navigate to the section that provides support options and find the Contact US link. It's typically highlighted as the path to get personalized help. Clicking Contact Us will take you to Canva's support portal, where you can interact with their assistant or submit a request. Remember, canceling a plan stops future charges, while a refund relates to a past charge. Since we're focusing on a refund, moving into the Contact Us flow is the right place to be. On the Contact Us page, you'll see a field or assistant prompt where you can enter your question. Type the word refund. This keyword tells the Canva support assistant exactly what you need and will trigger the guided steps for refund-related help. Follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to confirm which Canva product or plan you're referring to, provide details about the charge, and share a brief reason for your request. A few tips make this smoother. Make sure you're signed into the Canva account that was billed, so the system can find your subscription and invoices. Have the date of the charge, the amount, and any invoice or receipt details handy. If you subscribe through a mobile app store, the assistant may direct you to that store's refund process instead. Policies and eligibility can vary by region, plan type, and timing, so carefully read any guidance the assistant presents and proceed with the suggested option, whether that's automated help or submitting a support ticket. After completing the prompts, watch for a confirmation on screen or in your inbox. Keep any case number or confirmation email until the issue is resolved. That's it. Search for Cancel Canva subscription, open the official Help Center page, click Contact Us, and type refund to get guided support. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you request your refund with confidence.